We are the dream. Long ago, when all the birds were black, a little bird flew down from the sky and punctured his foot on a splinter. He cried out in pain, and all the other birds came to help, all except the cranky old crow. Painfully, the splinter turned into a colourful blister, which got bigger and bigger, until suddenly a big bird pushed through the others and popped it with its sharp beak. The blister splashed over all the birds, and that is how they got their colour, all except the cranky old crow, who is still black today.
G'day, how is everyone today? Oh, that was loud, but you can do better than that. Hey,